Hi, readers. Welcome back. Happy Monday. I've missed seeing you. Have not missed Google Meets, but I have missed you guys for sure. So I just kind of wanted to make today getting a little bit warm, dipping your toes back in the water. I will see you live Wednesday and Thursday, either at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., depending on what hour I have you for readers. Be sure to come to office hours today. If you have any questions about what today's discussion post was all about, make sure you watch this video though, because it makes me sad when you say you have questions, but you didn't watch the video. That's the whole reason why I do the videos. So what I wanted us to talk about when we're jumping back into school, it's January, it's a new year, it's a new us, all that good stuff. 2020 is behind us. Is when we're talking about nonfiction. Remember, nonfiction is not fake, it's real. And fiction is fake, like Harry Potter, magic, all the good stuff. And so for today's discussion post, what I want you to do is to choose one piece of informational writing that you saw. This could be a recipe, it could be directions or something from what you're cooking or doing. It could be maybe something you put together. Or did you read any informational texts or books at home? And so one example that I have from my winter break was my coffee, because I always have coffee. Surprisingly enough, I don't have a coffee cup on me right now. But this was my coffee cup. This is my creamer to make my coffee yummy and not so bitter, which is lovely. And so when you're looking at right over here, it talks about my lovely coffee creamer. It's never the same, da 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 da, all that good stuff. So this is one piece of informational writing. And also, if you wanted to share in your discussion posts, how your break was, if you loved it, you can as well. So I would like a picture or some kind of response onto what your informational writing that you saw over break or reading from break. And yeah, just put it in the discussion post. Just make sure you remember that everybody in this class can see it. So don't post anything too personal that you don't want everyone to know. And I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see you on Wednesday and Thursday. And be sure to come to office hours today from 2:40 to 4 if you have any questions or concerns. Bye.